So hey there and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful custom email template using Canva, which is perfect for newsletters, promotions or brand updates. Today we will cover how to use Canva's built-in templates and how to create your own from scratch step by step. So before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So now let's jump right in. First of all, you have to head over to the canva.com, this website, and if you are on your phone like Android or on your iOS, you can just simply go to Apple Store or Google Play Store, and then you can download their official website. Make sure to check this logo perfectly so that you can find out the app easily. So now let me show you how you can use an email template. But before that, let me explain what exactly is an email template. An email template is a pre-designed layout that you can reuse whenever you send out newsletters or promotional content. It helps you keep your emails visually appealing, professional and on brand without having to start from scratch every time. So to get started, as I told you earlier, you have to go to Canva and head over to the search bar at the top. Here you can see this option and you have to type in email. So as you can see, after typing an email, or also you can search for newsletters like this, now you will see a bunch of pre-made templates popping up. These are ready to use designs just plugged in your content, images and brandings. You can click on a template that fits your needs. From here you can see a lot of templates here, and let me clarify you that here you can see some crown icon, little crown icons. These are the premium ones, so in order to use that you have to buy Canva Premium. But don't worry, Canva also has a lot of free ones available for you to use, so just don't worry about that. Now click on a template that fits you perfectly. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. You have to tap onto this, and now you have to tap onto the option called customize this template. At the right corner you can see this text. You have to tap onto it, and after clicking onto it, it will redirect you to the editing page. Now you can edit whatever you want from this template easily. Now let's customize it, and let me show you how you can use a pre-made template from here. So let's get started. So as you can see, it is opened and you will see different content blocks here. As you can see, this image and this text, and all of these are different contents which has been added to this template. So now let me show you how you can customize your own template. For example, if you want to edit images like this, if you want to add your own custom images, you just have to choose the image which you want to edit, then right click on it, and after clicking on right click, you can see this option called detach image. You just have to simply tap onto detach image, and boom, here you go, that you can see the image has been detached from your Canva template. Now you can delete this image. Now let me show you how you can add your custom images onto Canva. To do that, you have to head over to the option called uploads at the middle left corner. Tap onto uploads. So after clicking onto uploads, you can see this option called upload files. You just have to tap onto it, and here you go, you can choose your custom images from here. Just go to the file where you kept the image, and then you have to simply choose them. So now let me show you how you can add the images to this template. You just have to choose the image. For example, I'm going to choose this image. This is pretty much nice. Now you have to drag it to this frame. Okay, now as you can see, the image has been added. Now you have to follow the same steps for all the images you want to customize. For example, let me show you this one also. Just right click on it, tap onto detach image. As you can see, the image has been detached. Now if you want to delete the image, then you have to tap onto it and you can delete this image. Okay. Okay, let me do it again. Now tap on to delete. Now you can add any image you wish to add. This is as simple as that. And now let me show you how you can use your images in the background. So if you want to add background images on Canva, you can just simply choose the